Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and starting the upload. First, verify your upload speed and stability. A brief speed test helps. Next, sign into the exact Google account that owns the Drive folder and make sure two-step verification isn't blocking a session. This avoids permission errors. Then open Drive, choose New File Upload, or drag the compressed zip if you have many files. Once started, monitor the upload indicator so you can catch immediate errors and stop duplicating work. Once the upload begins, handle common mid-transfer failures by isolating causes. If the browser stalls, open an incognito window or try a different browser to eliminate extension or cache issues. That often fixes timeouts. If web uploads keep failing, switch to Google Drive for desktop to sync files directly from your computer, which resumes more reliably. For very large files, split them into smaller parts or create a zip. This reduces timeouts and makes resuming easier when network interruptions occur. To complete the process, confirm uploaded files open correctly and that file sizes match originals. This verifies integrity. If issues persist, clear your browser cache or update the Drive app and retry. Outdated clients cause sync conflicts. Make sure shared folder permissions are correct so collaborators can view. If you still face failures, reauthorize Google Drive by removing and re-adding account access in account settings. This fixes token and permission errors quickly. That single reauthorization step resolves many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.